Help all kids learn and grow with PBS Kids. Thank you for supporting your PBS station.
You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is turning, changing each day. With Mommy and Daddy, I'm finding my way. Growing up is not so tough, except when I've had enough. But there's lots of fun stuff. I'm Caillou. Caillou, Caillou, I'm Caillou. That's me.
And me, and me, and me. Last night, Caillou's mommy read him a story about a jungle hunter. I'm going to be just like him and catch some wild animals.
We have a new flower in our garden, so I'm going to be a flower detective and see if I can find out what the name of this new flower is. Let me see. No, that sure isn't this flower.
Hurry!
It has lots of petals and a really black center. No, it's not one of those.
Grandma, let's go.
No need to rush. The birds will wait. Grandma was taking Caillou bird watching today, and Caillou couldn't wait. He loved going on adventures with Grandma.
No birds here.
Are you sure? Listen carefully.
I can hear them. Where are they? Grandma, I see them. Look, there.
Would you like to see them closer?
Grandma always knew what to do, almost like magic.
Caillou didn't know what to expect next.
Here, open your hands.
Seeds?
That's right. You'll see, we'll get some company very soon. Watch.
Look, Grandma, the bird is eating. Hey, bird, come back.
It's all right, Caillou. You see, small birds are afraid of big people like us. We have to stand very still and be very quiet so they won't be afraid.
Soon a new bird came to eat some seeds, then another, and a few more. Caillou couldn't believe it.
Look. Oh, boy.
Let's try a trick. Can you stand up? Good. Put your arms like this in front of you and stand very still.
The bird. Grandma, it's on my hand.
Caillou was so excited. He'd never had a bird sitting on his hand before.
We're leaving? Why are you whistling?
Well, it's like talking to the birds. And if we're lucky, the birds will talk to us. That's a good try. You'll see, it takes a bit of time. You have to practice.
Grandma was happy Caillou enjoyed watching birds. She decided to give him a special present.
It's a house.
Yes, but not just any kind of house. Look.
Grandma, the seeds are coming out.
That's right, they're supposed to come out. This is a bird feeder. I've had it for many years. I thought you might enjoy it now.
Will the birds come?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Grandma and Caillou decided to hang the bird feeder near the back porch.
This is a fine place. You'll be able to watch the birds from inside the house.
And that's how Caillou became a bird watcher, just like his grandma.
Nothing. Maybe wild animals like to hide behind trees better than playhouses. Okay.
Oh, it isn't that easy to find the right flower. Let's see. This is rather pinkish. Well, it's bright and all, but it's not the same flower. I wonder what kind of flower this is. Well, let's see.
Caillou and Sarah were having a picnic in Caillou's backyard.
Look, Sarah, ants. Why are they coming on the blanket? They want cookie crumbs. A bird! Sarah, look! It's not moving.
Caillou and Sarah watched the bird.
What's wrong? Maybe it hurt its wing or something. I'll go tell your mom. You stay here and make sure it's safe. Is the bird hurt, Mommy? A cat might get it if we leave it here.
Oh, you did the right thing to come and get me. We should never touch an animal when it's hurt. We can use this box and slide it in so it'll be safe. There.
Here's some grass and leaves. It'll feel like it's in his nest. Here's some water in case it needs a drink.
The bird can eat this if it gets hungry. You could place it in the box next to the bird.
Caillou hoped the bird would get better soon.
I have to go, Caillou. I'll come back later to check on the bird. Bye. The bird didn't eat the bread yet, Mommy.
Give it a chance to get better, sweetie.
Caillou was startled and excited to hear the bird chirp. He wondered if the bird felt better.
Mommy, did you hear that? Are you hungry, little bird?
Here, why don't you hold the bread a little closer to the bird?
No, Gilbert. Mommy, tell Gilbert to leave the bird alone.
I'll put Gilbert in the house so the bird will be safe, and you better come in for lunch.
Don't worry about Gilbert. I'll protect you again if he comes back.
If the bird isn't better by tonight, we should bring it to a bird sanctuary. They have a special hospital to take care of it.
Can we go visit it when it's there?
We sure can.
Mommy, the bird is gone. Maybe Gilbert got it.
Look, Gilbert was inside the whole time.
Phew.
Caillou, look.
There it is.
We have to be very quiet and go slowly so we don't scare it.
Oh no, the bird's flying away.
Caillou was very sad that the bird flew away.
You protected the bird and it got better. See? It's flying now, all because of you.
Caillou felt very proud.
We could still visit the hospital at the bird sanctuary if you want.
Yes!
Oh, I think these beans are ready. Well, Caillou's mommy is away, and if I leave them on, they'll go bad. If I pick them, we can enjoy them. They look juicy and fat, and, well, okay, they're not chocolate cake, but it would be a shame to waste them. I think I could be a big help to Caillou's mommy.
Caillou couldn't wait to explore the forest with Mrs. Martin and his friends from daycare.
Today we're going on a treasure hunt. It'll be lots of fun.
Yay! What kind of treasure?
Caillou had never been on a treasure hunt in the forest before.
We'll all find something special. Then you can bring your treasures home.
Look at those funny pictures.
Can anyone guess what those are?
Animal feet?
That's right, Leo. They're footprints. This is a bird, a rabbit, a deer, and that's a bear.
It's huge. Grrr.
Caillou was excited about what he'd find in the forest.
Let's take a look at those lily pads. See how they grow in water instead of the ground?
Caillou thought he had found a wonderful treasure in the pond.
Look at the funny fish.
They're called tadpoles. They're baby frogs.
There's another one. He ate that fly. Ew. Ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. What's that?
Well, let's look for clues.
Look at this stick. It's got lots of marks on it.
That's a great treasure, Leo. Those are teeth marks. Does anyone know what kind of animal has strong enough teeth to do that? It has brown fur and a big flat tail and big front teeth.
A beaver?
That's right. And that's the beaver's house. It's called a dam. Beavers have to chew on wood or their teeth will keep growing.
That's a beaver's house? Can we peek inside?
We don't want to disturb them, Caillou. It's important to leave nature as we found it. Come on, there's lots more to see in the forest.
Caillou wondered what they would see next.
Hey!
Let me show you a good trick, Caillou. Hold on to the branch and pretend you're holding a door open.
Wow, that's a big Christmas tree.
Caillou thought it would make the best Christmas tree ever. And it even came with its own decorations.
Ow!
Careful. Pine trees have needles instead of leaves.
Caillou thought a pine cone would make a great treasure.
I saw it first. No, Caillou, it's mine.
There are plenty of other treasures in the forest. If you keep looking, you could find something even better.
Caillou wondered what could be better than the pine cone. He was excited to see what he could find next.
There is one ring for every year of the tree's life. Let's count them to see how old it was.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it must have been very old. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Caillou wanted to know where the strange noise was coming from. Suddenly, Caillou felt alone and frightened. He hadn't gone far, but he couldn't see the others anymore.
Caillou? Caillou!
I'm here!
Caillou! It's very easy to get lost in the woods. You have to stay with the group.
But I heard a funny noise and I wanted to see what it was. It sounded like someone knocking on the door.
Shh! Let's be very quiet and see if we hear it again.
See?
It's a woodpecker. He's looking for bugs for his dinner.
Can I have some berries?
You have to be careful, Caillou. Not all berries are good to eat, but those blackberries would make a nice snack.
Yummy. He wants my blackberry.
Stay as still as a statue, Caillou, and he'll leave you alone.
Whoa.
Caillou was upset because he was the only one who still hadn't found a treasure.
Okay, everyone, time to go. Let's get cleaned up. Maybe you should wash up in the stream, Caillou.
Caillou thought the rock was beautiful.
What do you have there, Caillou?
I found a rock. It's,
A turtle.
Caillou had found the best treasure of all.
he was hiding in that rock.
That's a shell. Turtles carry their houses on their backs for protection.
He's cute.
Don't crowd him. Turtles are very shy. Come on, Caillou, it's time to go.
Can I keep him?
You'd be taking him a long way from home.
Caillou wanted to keep the turtle, but he knew he'd be happier in the forest.
Bye, Turtle. See you next time.
Caillou? Caillou, where are you? Now, what's my laundry basket doing there?
Look, Mommy! I'm a turtle. This is my new house. I love to go for nature hunts to see what I can find. You have to look carefully, in front, beside, behind. Things are waiting there for us to see and to enjoy. When you go on a nature hunt, it's really fun, oh boy! When I go out in nature to see what I can see, I always take my camera and keep it close to me. I might see a fox, a chipmunk, a turtle, or a hare. I hunt with my camera, I'm as quiet as can be. When I'm back home, the pictures bring nature back to me. You have to be so quiet, nature likes it just this way. And leave the flowers where they are, they're growing day by day. Sunshine sparkles through the trees, making a pretty path. And if you find a little stream, take a nature bath. When I go out in nature to see what I can see, I always take my camera and keep it close to me. I might see a fox, a chipmunk, a turtle, or a hare. I hunt with my camera, I'm as quiet as can be. When I'm back home, the pictures bring nature back to me.
This is a wild animal I will catch for sure. He won't get away this time. Yeah! Oh, no wild animals here either. Oh, that's strange. Where are they all? Now, if I were a wild animal, where would I hide? Under the slide. Yeah, that's a really good place.
It has long petals and a circle in the middle. Let me see. Oh, well, look at that. I found it. This one has the same petals and a circle in the middle. Oh, I am a great flower detective. Yes, that's it. Ah, well. Of course, if I were a great flower detective, I would check the color, too. Oh, I've got a problem. This one looks the same, but the colors are totally different. Oh, being a flower detective isn't that easy.
I will find a wild animal here for sure. They like shady places, and under the slide is nice and shady. Got to be quiet. 1, 2, 3. Oh. It's strange that in the book last night it was so easy to find wild animals, and it isn't that easy right here. I wonder where they went. Maybe they're all eating vegetables in the vegetable garden. I'll sneak over there and see.
Aha! Do you want to help me in the garden, Caillou?
Yes, Mommy.
Here, this'll protect you from the sun.
Hi, Caillou. Hi, Sarah.
Why don't you water the flowers for me, Caillou? I'm gonna trim the rose bush. I think it's gonna rain. We won't have to water the flowers after all.
Sarah? Caillou, take a look through this. What is it? It's a magnifying glass. Be careful, it's delicate. What does that mean? It means you can break it easily. But what does it do? It makes small things look bigger. Oh. It makes your eye look bigger. And you know, Sarah. I have an idea. Do you want to play Jungle Explorer with the magnifying glass? What's Jungle Explorer? We'll pretend we're exploring in the jungle and looking at everything with the magnifying glass. Wow! Look! It's a great big jungle monster!
Sarah was right. The caterpillar did look like a monster.
Wow! It's as big as a bird! It got away! The jungle's much thicker here. I don't think I can carry on. I can. I'm not afraid. Good luck. I'll wait here at the camp.
Caillou, the jungle explorer, journeyed deeper and deeper into the jungle. Caillou pretended Gilbert was roaring like a big jungle lion.
Gilbert, don't be scared. It's me.
Caillou was surprised when he heard the thunder, and a bit scared, too.
Sarah! Sarah! What happened? There was a big noise. I expect it was Jungle Drums sending us a message. Jungle Drums? Well, it might have been Jungle Drums, but I think it was probably thunder.
Caillou was very excited by all the things he'd seen through the magnifying glass and all the adventures he'd imagined.
Mommy, I saw a lion in the jungle. And we heard some jungle drums, too.
Those drums are sending us a message. Yes, they're saying if we don't want to get wet, we'd better hurry inside.
I love to go for nature hunts to see what I can find. You have to look carefully, in front, beside, behind. Things are waiting there for us to see and to enjoy. When you go on a nature hunt, it's really fun, oh boy! Nature hunts to see what I can find. You have to look carefully, in front, beside, behind. Things are waiting there for us to see and to enjoy. When you go on a nature hunt, it's really fun, oh boy!
Yeah. Oh, bean picking can make an old teddy bear awfully sleepy. I think I'll take a little nap in these flowers right here. Yeah.
gotta think of colors. Colors are important when it comes to flowers. Yes, this is it. Oh, this is a funny name. A black-eyed Susan. I like it. And I solved the mystery. I am a great flower detective. What's that?
I'm sorry, Teddy. I thought maybe you were a wild, ferocious animal, and I was going to catch you and study.
I wasn't a wild, ferocious anything. I was just a teddy bear trying to catch a nap in the shade.
Oh, I didn't know it was you.
Oh, that's okay, Rexy. I know you didn't mean to scare me.
Hey! What happened?
Oh, well, see, I was hunting for wild animals like in Caillou's story last night, and then I saw this big fuzzy thing under the bush, and, well, I jumped in. Oh, well, it was Teddy.
Oh, I'm sorry it surprised you, Teddy, but you know what, Rexy?
What?
I'm kind of glad it wasn't a wild animal.
Huh?
They like to live where they're happiest, free in nature.
Oh, well, you know what, Teddy?
What?
Well, I'm sorry I scared you, but I'm glad it was you and not a wild animal. I don't want to make anybody unhappy.
See you next time. Mommy. Mommy is great. She takes me to fun places like the beach. Mommy says it's fun to try new things. She likes it when I draw her pictures.
It's beautiful, Caillou. Thank you.
And I like it when she tucks me in at night.
Oh, that's me, Rexy. I'm a prehistoric reptile. That means a dinosaur. I'm a great dinosaur adventurer, although sometimes I have a little trouble getting past the garden gate. I love to play games. Peek-a-boo. Even though I'm not good at everything, every day I'm getting better. That's why Caillou, my family, and friends love me so much, just like yours love you.